So the first thing, I'm gonna get right to the top where I want to prune, and that's the first thing I'm gonna do. So I'm already gonna determine the tree's height. So I'm gonna prune it right here. Okay, so that's the first thing. Once I have done that, I'm just gonna now shorten the branches a little bit by cutting its tips in order to, where's my actually, in order to stimulate lateral growth, right? Lateral branch spreading. So I'm just gonna go and shorten them up a little bit, all of them. And just do that throughout the whole canopy, taking out some excessive branches that are really occupying the same space as others. I'm gonna prune this one here because it's bothering a little bit. And just go down through the whole canopy. Alright. But always maintaining the shape of the tree. You can see that I maintain the same shape it already had. Okay, go down. All right, so I have finished pruning. I went down, took a couple of steps back to take a last look at the tree, and I thought it was okay, except for a little branch that was out, and then I cut that one. And so as you can see now, it has come down a level, and now it's not really occupying the same layer as the eucalyptus tree. So each occupies its own layer. I made the canopy of the tree a bit more spread out, right? It's not so dense anymore, so there's more air circulation inside. There's more sunlight coming to all the leaves, so any branches that were overposing another, these were taken out, so that you really have a space for each branch and they're not really competing for space. And now, as a byproduct of this, we've got all this organic matter that I will now proceed to cut down, chop it up, and use it for covering the soil, because that's what it's all about. We really want all this organic matter to feed back to the plant. And you know, if we prune our trees once every year, look at how much organic matter we produce. And this was a very, very light pruning. Okay, it wasn't. This is a young tree, so it produces very little organic matter. Once it really has reached maturity, the amount of organic matter produced will be 3 times more, 4 times more. It will be beautiful. So as our trees grow and mature, more organic matter they produce, more results we have from our pruning. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to continue to cut down this matter to chop it up. Okay, so now it's done. So remember, this was one tree, and look at how much organic matter it produced. And I haven't yet pruned the eucalyptus, which will be pruned, also to skirt them a little bit, right? To raise the skirt, as we say, so that they occupy their emergent layer, because they still have a few branches that once they start spreading out, they're gonna occupy the soursop space. So that's pretty much it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this soursop pruning, and we're gonna move on to a next pruning. See you later.